What is going on, guys? We are in beautiful Las Vegas for CES, the Consumer Electronics. Well, actually, I don't know what the last letter is, but we're with my boy Alex. Sony just came out with a car. Sony, yes, the television company. Let's go check this place out. Look who we bumped into.
What's up, guys?
We got Brooks from Drag Times. So you guys know, I mean, I was an engineer. This guy is a nerd as well.
Yeah,
so going
time.
to this,
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Check out what's in front of me right now. So I actually talked to this company about a year ago about doing a brand deal with them on this chair. It's a Lamborghini massage chair. Check this out. It's got a front bumper. And then, like my Huracan, it's got a flip-up ignition. And then check out the speakers. That's the coolest massage chair I've ever seen. Look at that, a transparent TV. How about them toilets? Wait, this is so you don't use it?
So you don't use it
no,
right here.
No balls, you won't, right now. Hey, Dad. 8K camera.
This is badass, but we're in like the reject hall.
What does that mean?
Well, it's way better at the real place. We're gonna go.
What?
We gotta go to the convention center where SEMA usually is.
Let's do it. We are in the main area of the convention now. And check this out. You guys remember when I did those point of view videos in virtual reality with the GT2 RS, the Huracan Performante, and my 600 LT? That was these Insta 360 cameras. All right, I need this setup for walking around CES.
They need the big one.
Can you get me one, Dad, for
Right
Christmas?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I think I need a new television for the crib. Check this out. I have never seen a TV like this. It's literally an art piece. It's called the Art TV. Look at that incredible surround. We've got a speaker down here, speakers here. And you would have thought it'd be a crazy amount of money. Apparently they're targeting 20 grand for the entire set. Remember how my Huracan was green and Alex Choi's car was originally blue? Well, we're racing right now. This is so sick. All right. 216-inch TV. What do you know about that? Dad's getting ready to buy it. Yeah. For those of you who are new to my videos, this is Brooks, another YouTuber, not actually my dad, but I like making jokes that he's my dad because he's a badass. So is this one giant screen or is it made of multiple screens?
This is modular video. It's a tiled LED video wall. And what we're looking at here is an 8x8 of 27-inch, 16x9 LED cabinets.
And how much are we talking?
No set pricing, but yeah, let's just say a few million.
Okay. Brooks, all electric go-kart, what do you think?
We're gonna race these things.
I think we gotta race these around my house. So the cool thing about this is they're into modular technology, right? So they've got this Segway over here called the 9Bot S. You pull the handle off, it fits in the back of this. This is just a body kit. And I think they need to make one with like 10 times the battery power so we can drag race. What do you think? And lights? All right, it gets cooler. Hydro.
All right, Parker, you into ping pong?
I will kick your ass at ping pong, Brooks.
Kick this machine's ass?
What do you mean?
Right here, look at this thing.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Really, Parker? Really?
Corner shot on. So one of my final projects at University of Michigan in mechanical engineering was to build a robot to fight other student groups. But DJI, the drone company, I've got a DJI Mavic Pro, came up with a codable robot that fights in an arena. This actually looked, the arena that we fought in at Michigan was a little bit smaller, but I'm in love with CES, guys. I'm coming every year. You know what we need? We need that, and then you need to get us a P100D, and I need to get us a Taken Turbo S, and we need to do a drag race in Vegas.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. What do you guys know about shark robots? Big shark robot guy over here? Yep. Okay, the cool thing is the easy way to do this would be to put a small propeller on the back, but instead it actually moves like a shark. That's wild. So the one thing in life I've pretended to not be interested in for not ruining my finances is boats and airplanes. But I have always, this isn't happening now, wanted a speedboat, something single story with crazy motors on the back. This thing has 3 450 horsepower outboard motors, so over 1,300 horsepower. And it starts at $750, which is obviously a crazy amount of money, but for this level of design, the Brunswick Sea Ray, that's pretty baller. The quilted leather, check out the interior underneath. Got my new boat. Apparently it's controlled by a joystick, almost like an airplane. Watch this joystick, and then watch what happens to the motors up there. Very nice.
Going left.
All right, Brooks, when you getting it?
It's $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
My
Let's
next
go.
boat.
50-50.
All right.
So one of the main reasons I wanted to come to CES is Sony, the television, the electronics, the camera company, and I'm sure they do everything in the background that you don't even know about, developed a car, a fully electric car to compete with the Tesla Model S and the Taycan Turbo S. Can't wait to check it out. I never had any idea how into televisions I was until I've seen some of the stuff at CES. This is an LG TV that rolls up and down into an incredible speaker system. Check that out. The TV is coming out of the base. That's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. All right, all I'm saying is, who needs the Starlight headliner in a Rolls Royce when you could have a Galactic headliner? We have found all the cars with the god of electric cars. Can you give me a little Mustang Mach-E review in 10 seconds?
My GT500's been infinitely delayed.
Yeah. Bail on it.
So here's the Mustang I'm gonna get instead.
Did you see at Chuck Walla, they just set a time within like 0.2 seconds of a GT3 RS in a GT500? That's actually nuts.
A lot of people's feathers on that.
Oh yeah, it is. So check this out. Fully electric SUV made by Ford, styled in part after the Mustang. I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty damn good looking SUV. I'm gonna put you on the spot. What do you know about it?
What do I know about it?
Yeah.
They shouldn't have called it the Mustang. But
Nope,
that's just
agreed,
my personal
agreed.
opinion. But yeah, fully electric. I think it's all-wheel drive, about 300 miles range.
Yeah, and they're pretty affordable, huh?
I think it's about 60,000 fully loaded, 0 to 60 in mid-threes.
That's crazy. Good job, Ford. All right, Ford is obviously very innovative. I worked for the company before. I actually did some work with them, helping them build a YouTube channel. But I do have to say, why did you copy Tesla's charging station? It literally is a one-to-one ripoff. All right, electric car god, tell me about the Rivian.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know much about the Rivian.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Those are some of the coolest headlights on a car I have ever seen. We have Patrick here from Rivian, and I gotta say, this is one of the coolest new vehicles out.
So this is an electric adventure vehicle. It's designed to get dirty, take it off-road. So if we look at this interior, anywhere there's a pocket, whether it's the inside of the door or the back of the seat, let me just show you. This zipper here, you can unzip this and sweep out any crumbs or dust that accumulated and zip it right back in. Yeah, so this truck can drive through 3 feet of water.
Oh my gosh, as an electric vehicle.
As an air suspension, you can crank up to 14 inches of ground clearance. And like I said, we want you to take it off-road. So we've armored the bottom of the battery pack.
Wow.
Composite, so you can put 1,800 pounds in the bed and drop this truck 3 feet onto a 2-inch by 2-inch peg and you're not gonna hurt a thing.
So, base price, acceleration numbers, give me the lowdown.
Sure. So it starts at $69,000.
That's not bad, it's not bad.
Yeah, and that gets you 230 miles of range.
Okay.
You can option that up to 300 and 400 miles.
Wow.
We'll have the pricing on the rest of that out shortly.
And what are we talking? Max acceleration, number of motors, kilowatt hours, let's hear it.
0 to 60 in 3 seconds.
Oh my God.
750 horsepower through 4 electric motors. We call that quad motor all-wheel drive.
Yo, we getting these or what?
I think so.
I think so.
Yeah.
And you just told me off camera, has to be one of the coolest things I've ever seen. It's got 4 motors, so the car can rotate like on a dime in circles.
Yeah, it's the tank turn.
It's the tank turn. What? So not only is it fast, not only is it stylish on the exterior, one thing that obviously Brooks is gonna disagree because he's the biggest Tesla guy. I don't like the Tesla interior, man. For 150 G's, it's boring.
I agree.
Okay, never mind.
It's also
He's
like 8
honest
years old. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm not talking crap on the company. It's an amazing, innovative company. They come out, $69,000. Obviously, the higher end one is going to be more. They haven't come out with the price yet, but even still, look at the quality of this interior. I mean, finally, we've got a luxurious, an interior that deserves the price, right? So we've got this beautiful contrasted stitching. We've got these screens that are controlled by Alexa. Check this out. Alexa, satellite maps. Look at that. Responds by Alexa. Look how beautiful this wood is. Oh my, this honestly reminds me of Rolls-Royce quality Cannondale wood.
So we've integrated Alexa into the vehicle, and anything the vehicle actuates or controls, you can actuate or control with Alexa. So you saw the map view. You have to search for a button, you just spoke to it and it responded. We can do a lot more than that.
Anyway, you guys head home tomorrow?
Right side. And now by the time I'm out of the vehicle, the gear tunnel door is open.
Oh my gosh. So, what do you use it for? Storage?
Bodies.
The gear tunnel is great for snowboards, golf clubs,
Okay.
strollers. Anything long and narrow fits wonderfully in there.
What's the weight capacity of that?
500 pounds.
500 pounds.
So it's also a great way to access the roof.
Oh, that is, look at that.
Bars that we have up here, pop in and out of these hard points on the roof. And these hard points are repeated here on the bed side and the floor of the bed. So I can move my crossbars down there.
All right, final question for you. This is one of the coolest vehicles I've ever seen. Is it a modular chassis that you plan on using this setup for other types of vehicles?
Absolutely. So this skateboard platform is the same thing underneath our R1S 7-seater SUV.
7-seat, okay.
We've also announced as part of Ford's investment in Rivian, we're building a vehicle for Ford that'll be mounted on that same skateboard platform.
That is amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Because obviously it's all electric, there's no motor in the front. Check out how much storage space you have in the front trunk. And I actually can't get over the front headlights and light bar. I've never seen another car like that. And this is going into production. It's not just a concept car. The show is officially closed. We're about to head out. Obviously, we need to check out the Sony car first, but this has to be the most impressive display I have seen so far. Check that out, guys. So you saw this last year.
No, it was a different one.
It wasn't like this. He goes, there's a drone that can carry 4 to 6 people. This looks like, this isn't a drone, bro. I don't know what this is.
Yeah, it's a drone.
Whew. That looks like a private jet, drone style. This is so wild. So Hyundai built this concept drone as a passenger vehicle. It can travel at 180 miles an hour. And I believe it's some sort of collaboration from Uber. I don't know, it's an Uber transport vehicle. I imagine this Uber chopper would probably be pretty expensive to travel in, but that is one hell of a machine. How much do you guess that thing costs? Like 30 mil? 10. 10?
10 mil.
Go $10 million,
but it's
Uber autonomous drone.
Yeah, so you just jump, you call it, and they take
So
you.
it only has a 60-mile range. That's the only thing that's confusing. It goes 180 miles an hour.
You know, they have Uber chopper in New York.
Yeah. I almost took one in Dubai. That would have been the coolest thing. But Uber drone, that's like 10,000 bucks a trip.
It's coming.
It is coming.
Transportation as a service, I think is what they call it.
That's Ford. Ford is a mobility company. Okay. So apparently, this drone thing is popular because we've got another quad rotor passenger vehicle from Bell Nexus. That rotor, you imagine, it's on, right? You get a little jump, you just jump right into it. Bye-bye. See you, Brooks. This is actually one of the coolest things I have ever seen, guys. I'm so excited for the future of technology. Honestly, this whole electric autonomous car thing for car enthusiasts means that eventually everyone's gonna be driving autonomous cars on the freeway. They're all connected, there's no traffic, the cars aren't gonna speed, and then if you have an internal combustion engine sports car, just rip around. But that, yeah, that's an aircraft right there. All right, Ali Mo, what do you think of the show? It's pretty dope. Honestly, like, this is like, unbelievable. The fact that we've been to SEMA every year and never come here, I messed up, so I'm coming back next year. So Alex is over there right now. He's never driven a supercar. He drives an F80 Stage 2 Boot Mod 3, one of my best friends in the world. So tomorrow, we're gonna surprise him with a Lamborghini, hopefully a Ferrari, and a GT3 RS, and I'm gonna let him drive all of them. So smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because I'm so excited for the next video. He's gonna lose his mind when he drives a Lambo. All right, guys, CES was absolutely insane. We're coming back tomorrow, and remember, I can't say it too loud because I can't tell Alex about the video tomorrow. I'm so excited. So, as all,
Hi guys, come see Audi. Come see us at Audi.
I think I'm coming to see Audi tomorrow.